Hi everyone, welcome back to Japesh Financial Solutions channel. Today we are talking about the biggest mistakes new investors make and that one thing that costs them thousands of dollars. And the good news is it's 100% avoidable. Stick around because I'm going to break it down and show you exactly how to fix it. Investing can be so overwhelming. Whether you are just starting out, there is so much information about stocks, about crypto, about real estate, about index funds, about EFTs. And so you ask yourself, where do you even begin? But here is the thing, most beginners fail because of one critical error, and it has nothing to do with them picking the wrong stock. Most new investors are eager, they want to see results fast, but in that excitement, they fail into one trap, investing without a goal. Not having a clear investment strategy, they jump into market without a plan, buying random stocks, follow hype or panic selling when things dip. Things lead to emotional decisions and losses and frustrations, all because of that one mistake. They didn't invest with a goal in mind. Here's the truth. Investing without a clear goal is like traveling without a destination. You might be moving, but you're going nowhere meaningful. You end up chasing hype. Today you're doing crypto, tomorrow you're doing rates, tomorrow, the other week, you're doing stocks, but you're not building a strategy. Here's the solution on how to avoid these mistakes before putting a single shilling into any investment. Ask yourself these three questions. One, what is the purpose of the investment? Two, how long can I stay invested? And lastly, what's my risk tolerance? I know social media makes it even worse. Everyone's shouting about the next big thing, but real investing is boring. It's about consistency, not get rich quick schemes. So, how do you fix this? Here is the action plan that I need you to follow after you answer the three questions that I have just talked about. One, write your financial goals down. Ask yourself, where am I investing? Am I investing for retirement? Am I investing to buy a house? Am I investing to just start earning passive income? Or your strategy changes based on your lifetime? Two, choose the right strategy. Are you a long-term investor? Maybe IFBs might not be the best. Do you want active stock trading? Learn technical analysis on that. Pick a style that fits your personality. Are you a short-term person? MMFs and T-bills would work for you. Just pick something that will work best for you. And three, manage risk. Never invest in a volatile investment that you cannot afford to lose. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put everything in one investment, you know. And then the fourth one is stick to the plan. Market goes up, they go down sometimes, but if you panic sell every dip, you lose it. Set rules like I won't sell unless X and X happens, and follow those rules, because once you are clear on these, you can pick the right investment vehicle, whether it's treasury bills, whether it's unit trust, land, global stocks, business, equity, all that. You can be able at least to pick an asset that suits your goals and your needs. Let me give an example. Let's say your goal is to buy a home or build a home in like 5 to 10 years. That's the medium term goal. The medium term goal will be buying either that land to buy your home, and what would be the best vehicle to do that? You wouldn't put that money in a crypto or a volatile share because it's a medium term goal, or you can't go risking all that money because after 5 years it's not a long-term goal. Instead, you'll be look for a stable asset that gives stable returns, like fixed income funds, like some of them, like bonds, the MMFs, T-bills. Look at least stable returns that are not too risky to achieve that goal. That's all that I mean. It's about matching your goal with the right product. That's why I keep insisting on goal-based investment before you start investing. Investing is not about jumping on trends. It's about building a strategy that works for your life. The number one rule, always invest with a clear goal in mind. That's how you can grow with confidence. The bottom line here is successful investing isn't about luck. It's about having a plan and sticking to it. If you avoid this one mistake, you are already ahead of 90% of others who are making the same mistake. And hey, if you want help setting your investment goals, the link on to book a session with me is on the description. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest investing challenge? I'll answer in the next video. See you next time.